Hello, this is Fumichika, customer support from OpenLM. Please call me Fumi. Today, I would like to introduce you a data migration tool exclusive for Firebird to Maria database. And from 4.8, we've been asking you to upgrade to 5.0, more than 5.0, 5.x. Uh, at the same time, we are asking you to move to the external database. That's because we are no longer going to support Fire database in the future, near future, really near future. So we want you to move to a Maria database if you are using a Firebird database, or you can move to the just external database such as MS SQL and MySQL. And in the past, like 4.8 or in the 4.x, if you are using the external database of the MS SQL, MySQL, you don't have to do this. But if you are using a Firebird, you have to move to Maria database or MySQL or MS SQL. So this is about the migration data tool exclusive for Firebird database to a Maria database. And then compared to the traditional data migration tool, it becomes very easier. So first of all, I want you to download the Maria database like this, and then install 10.5.9 and then Windows 64-bit maybe, and then the management tool Heidi SQL comes along with the installer, and then if we are using a MySQL, you can also utilize the MySQL Workbench for management administration. And then default port is 3306 for MySQL. So if you are using a MySQL, you have to name the Maria database port is the other port. So I named it like 4000. And then if we are moving from the old database, you have to upgrade. You have to use the OpenLM DB upgrade tool first. But if you are upgrading from 4.8 to 5.x, the installation will automatically upgrade the database. So please do not worry. But this is a sample. You can manually upgrade the database with the OpenLM database upgrade tool. So I'm just copying. And then, yeah, from the Windows menu, you can go to upgrade tool. Then, before using the Firebird to Maria database exclusive data migration tool, you have to match the version of database. So a database should be the version of OpenLM Server. So you have to use a DB upgrade tool. But if you are upgrading, just installing and upgrading from the old OpenLM server to a 5.x, like it will automatically upgrade to the database version. So please do not worry. And then now we can use the FbToMariaDB tool. And then you can specify the database you want to migrate. This is a source database. And then username is a sysdba. And then server is, in my case, like it installed in the local host. So I put the local host. And then username is a root, Maria database account, root. And then password is my password. I can't tell you, but database, you can name it whatever you want, like maybe OpenLM. But in my case, I just name it like a test. And then in my case, 4000 for port. And then test, if there's a database called test, it will be overwritten. Yeah. And then you can start the migration now. And then it started. And then it takes a while. So I will skip the video for a while and then get back to you. So now it's skipped, and then the migration process is completed. A pop-up message, so it succeeded. And then if you take a look at the window log, it says like a process is successfully completed. So it succeeded. Yeah. So this is okay. So click next. And then there's a DB configuration shortcut button on the window, but this can be done by manually from the Windows menu, OpenLM DB configuration tool. This is just a shortcut. Uh, this tool is for to switch the database from old database to new database. So we have to switch to the destination database, which is MariaDB. We did migration. So we named it like a test, so a test, and then 4000, and then user ID root, and then my password, your password, and then test connection, and then if it's successful, you can apply. Now the database is switched from the old Firebird database to the Maria database. So you can open up the easy admin. Now, in the dashboard, if you hover over the version besides the OpenLM logo, you can see the connection details to the database. So please make sure it's connected to a new destination database, Maria database, and then localhost port, your port number, and then database name is correct. And then you can open up the license servers panel as usual, and then see if there's nothing wrong with it, like monitoring the license servers properly. And then you can also check the some of reports which are running normally, not running the normally as usual. Yeah. So overall, you can use the easy admin for a while to check the if it's working fine, and then uh, also you can go to the MySQL workbench. You can also utilize the Heidi SQL, but in my case, I got used to my MySQL workbench, so this is a test database we created, and then all tables are created fine. And then maybe some of them you can pick up for testing, like a sampling, if the to see the data is migrated properly. Yeah. So that's it, I think. So I hope you enjoy the new tool. Thank you very much. Bye now.